What up? Dude, I'll explain what I was just doing in 2 seconds. Yo, what up? Dude, I was just I had wasps at my house. I get them every year in the same spot. Fat nuts in the building. I get all these wasps in the same spot at my house. So every spring I go out and kill them, and then I gotta call the bee guy. I set an order. I made too much money, so I have to lose a little bit of money here. Fat nuts in the building. Yo, what up, PG? What up, Double O? Yo, BK, you ready? Probably got to open my lid up on my Yeti before I. Oh, baby. All right, let's see how I can lose some money here. I need to lose. Well, I just made money. Let's turn this off. I got to lose. Oh, fuck, man. Gotta lose money. Gotta lose money. Do not lose. Fail to win. I'm just trying to get I'm trying to get under. Actually, I'm going to go look right now what I have to get under. So what account is this? 847. So I basically need to get under 1537. All right, 1510 on the day. Yo, how I'm trading today, dude, I believe me, losing money is easy. What sucks is today's only day 4. So I actually won't even I won't pass that account till tomorrow. Bro, Dell, I would definitely do it. I'm all in, baby. I don't even know what I did during lunch. I sucked, I could tell you that. Oh, I actually blew this. I passed 2 accounts during lunch. I think I blew some accounts. I don't know, man. It was a rough lunch. I did pass four accounts in another firm. Breaking out my old Ninja Trader. Bro, there's no free longs today. I mean, we might long out of this. We might long out of this here. I mean, we're down fucking 3%, 3.5%. I mean, that was the fucking buy. I think this is just going to be another dump. Just feels like another dump. I'm joining the old live stream. I don't know. It just feels like there's no buyers here. No one's buying. I don't know. It's just kind of lackluster. Yo, BK, you passed your first Top Step eval? That's not your first eval ever, though, right? That's just your first Top Step one? First Top Step. Nice, man. Get it. Get it, get it. Yo, I'm playing that shit, PG. You better believe it. Better believe I'll be on that. I'm going to be all over. Yo, what up, Sean? I'm going to be all over Tesla. I'm going to play the after hours just like Netflix. I'm going to slam it, and we'll see what happens when the dust settles. Dude, I end up passing a take profit trader account today to replace that one I blew earlier. Yo, what up, Akash? I'm going on Top Step again tomorrow, so if you guys are around, you'll see me there tomorrow. I'm 1,000%. I'm 1,000% smashing smashing this one at the end. What's up, Elmi? I passed in one quick, but why didn't they give you a credit? What happened? Yo, CT, did you get your free account yet? I saw Sean was pushing for you to get a free account. I'm about to run them up. I'm waiting for the time to be right today to kind of go in on a big trade. Wayne, are you in profit for the year on props? Yes. I am definitely in the profit on props. Last month, there was a stretch. I went 13 out of 14 days with payouts. So, yo, Maria, we doing it? I am. I don't. You guys can do whatever you want. I'm definitely. I'm doing my thing. Dude, I should move my fucking camera. I keep saying this. Let me see if I can move my camera right now. How hard is it to move my camera? I keep forgetting to move this camera. I got to move it after the stream. I'm just gonna play. I'm gonna play the volatility towards the end of the day, Wayne. Maria, that's so weird. Somebody else said they had an open order too. I was like, I don't understand how you can have an open order over the weekend. Right? Somebody was in a Discord talking about it. That was you? No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. What's your name in Discord, Maria? Hold on. I'm scrolling up. Dude, there's a lot of scrolling to do. Oh, man. I don't know why I can't find it now. She's Mav, baby? No way. Really? I didn't know that. Hold on. Dude. Yo, why didn't you say it was you, Maria? Yo, oh shit. You did say, oh, now you did. Yo, anybody that comes in the Discord, you got to say who you are. Yo, I thought you were just some random that popped in the Discord and was like asking these weird questions. I didn't know it was you. Not that the questions were weird, but I was like, what does this person do? Like, how is the order open? Yeah. I've got a problem Apex account that I'm saving for later. Yo, Apex doesn't want you to do it unless it's an eval. Yeah, that was the crazy. I don't know how. No, ask questions. I don't know how it stayed open. I thought that was the weirdest thing. I have no idea how that stayed open. It was freaking weird. How'd you buy it anyways? Did you buy or just this is right at the volume balance. I might take a scalp long here. Yeah, that's the only time I've had orders staying over the weekend was was that a Bullnox account? Because I've done Bullnox over the weekend. Ah. Oh, Apex? So I left the Bullnox order in over the weekend. It was actually a position. And when it reopened on Sunday, they passed me on the account. So I had a past Bullnox account because I held over the weekend. This was like in November. That's crazy how that worked. What if you got rid of the connections? Like disconnected it. If you disconnected it, it might have worked. It might have taken it out. Well, yo, today's been a rough day. Today has been a rough day. what's crazy is I don't even want these accounts. I'll just show you. I don't even want these accounts. I got rebuild by Fidias. And it's funny because I took this one over today, up 4,000. This one's close. This one's over 4,000. This one's over 4,000. And this one got 19,000. But they rebuild me, and I ended up passing basically all the ones I got rebuild on. Yo, you're schlong to 800? Was that the opening? No, that was I just traded it during the day. I was trading short. I have that on it's on my quant tower. It's on my quant tower. So the problem is I think I have to trade 3 days. So in 3 days I'll have a lot more funded accounts with them, but I don't want them, to be honest with you. I'd rather not have another software open. That's wild, Maria, that it stayed in. You would have thought not. Like the connection issue would have just got rid of it. Yeah, I didn't trade the opening. I think if you traded the opening, you would have been up today. I think the opening hit. I don't know. I didn't trade the opening though. Man, I want a daily payout so bad today. So bad. 734. Let's see if I can pass. I don't even need to pass. I just need to get this one up a little bit. Boom, 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 boom. It's popping. I mean, it could definitely bounce. Oh, look at that. Right in that fair value gap at 82. I don't know, man. Everybody's long. Oh, fuck. Why didn't this turn on? I got no stop loss. Hold on. I'm short. This is only an eval. Pascal. If I don't pass the eval at the end of the month, what happens? Will the account reset? No, the account will not reset. Balance is going to stay the same and you're going to get charged. Yes. I'm guessing you're in the Apex account, right? You will get charged. Dude, I like that Lux indicator. You're talking about the color one, right? The red and green one? Is that what you're talking about? Why don't I like Fidias? Well, first of all, to pass an account with Fidias, you need to get to $54,000. So you need 33% more to pass than any other company. You know what type of edge that is? Yo, what up, Moha? What up? Welcome to the stream. But yeah, you have to earn a third more, 33% more to pass. So yeah, that's why I'm typically out. Oh, the 3-bar reversal. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, the 3-bar reversal works. Oh, Caveman says they only have one payout window a month also. So yes, that sucks too. So right there, I don't like it. One payout window and to pass. Yo, Sean. Yeah. It's one of those things. I'm just out on it. I mean, go for it, Kevin. I'm just. It's not really for me. I don't know. It's like now it's one payout window. I'm just out. I don't even want to trade on Quant Tower anymore, but I have to have it up now. It's just like a pain in the ass. I don't know. Wayne is in long. I'm just not a huge fan of it. You know? Yo, what up, Scotsman? Yeah. I mean, listen, give it a shot. I don't know. What's the drawdown in there, Kevin? What's the static drawdown? That's just you, I think. I only say it's just you because I am looking at my stream on another computer and it's fine. Yo, what up, Kay? Dude. So as soon as you start, if your first trade's a loser, you basically have no drawdown, is what you're saying. Like if I take my first trade and I lose $200, I'm fucked at that point. Right? What up, Code? I'm basically hosed, right? If your first trade is not a winner, you are hosed. That's how I see that. Better be a good first one. Yeah, I trade minis. On evals, minis all day. All day. There you go. You're back. Yeah. So I mean, listen, I get it, but if you have a drawdown with Apex, it's $1,500. By the time you're up $1,000, your drawdown is then the same. It's like, what's the big difference? You know, like if you took an Apex 25K account and one of those static accounts, The only time that static account is better is when you're trying to get the last $500 of profit. Other than that, it's worse. It's worse if you think about it. Because say you go up $500, your drawdown is still $1,500 in Apex. Your drawdown is only $1,000 in the static account. You kind of get what I'm saying? So like the only time that static account is good is after you've already made $1,000. What up, y'all? My Easter was pretty good, Brandon. How about yours? I basically barbecued here, had some family over. You get $1,000 payout when you pass the eval. They give you $1,000 payout. Oh yeah, brought me something real good. Brought me a day of cooking for everybody. I was like, yes, this is just what I wanted to do, is cook and clean for everybody. What up, Laughter? Yeah, Sean. I mean, that's just how I feel. Like $500 in a static is just rough. Take Profit Trader is always going to be my favorite. Dude, I think they're just going to sell this off. At the end of the day, you got to make profitable trades. But I don't like a tight drawdown. Yo, what up, cats? Yo, Keith's in the building. What up, Keith? Nah. I'll be honest with you, it's just a pain in the ass to me to keep switching with all these accounts. I find it to be worse for me. I find it to be worse for me because I'm constantly like, I got to go to this tab. I got to go to this tab. I got to go to this tab. You know, like I'm constantly switching around all these freaking tabs. Bro, there's a new prop firm popping up all over the place. I would not use any new. First of all, I would not use any new prop firms. First off, just let them be around for a little bit on the future side, on this side. And if you see a bunch of people promoting the new prop firms, dude, they don't have your interest. Believe me. All they care about, like, I don't understand how you can promote a prop firm and never been paid by them. That means you never went through the whole thing. You never traded with them. You didn't see the process of passing. You didn't see the time it took to pass. You didn't see like once you passed and the funded part and got a payout, how the request went. So like if you never went through the whole thing, how can you tell somebody else to go use it? That's how I think about all this. How can you tell somebody else to use something that you've never gone through the whole process with? Right? Maybe I'm the only one that thinks that. What up, Truth? Yo, what up, Throat Goat? Oh, the Goat. What up, Goat? You got to be in here for at least a day and hang out. You'll see. Yo, what up, Chad? Yeah, like Funded Next has more rules, and then you see these freaking dumbasses on Twitter telling you to go use accounts with them. Like, why? Goat, you'll see in a little bit. Yo. I can't give out all my secrets right now. It's only 250. So I use Maria, I use Mexi. And I have Coinbase and Mexi. Coinbase is where I would keep any significant amount of money. And if you want to trade playing around with like leveraged BTC or leveraged anything, you can get a Mexi account and use a VPN. I heard, sorry, I didn't do it. I heard you can get a VPN and get a sign up for Mexi. That's MEXC. And you can get an account with just an email, and then you could trade. MEXC. I'll. They don't serve the U.S., so you got to get a VPN. That I heard. Yeah. So I'm just being honest with you. Being that your name is not on it and it's just an email to sign in, I don't keep any more than like $5,000 in there. So like I'll trade there with leverage, and then once I make my money, I withdraw it like instantly. I'm not leaving money in there. Yeah, Maria, that's a good idea. Yeah. Yeah. I'll definitely talk more open over there. Um Coinbase should do leverage, at least do like 4-1, but they don't. Welcome back, BG. Who's BG? Oh, Big Bertha. Jeez. Oh, oh, you trade Femix? Yeah, I don't listen. I'm not sitting here telling you that what the best one is. I used to use Qcoin. Qcoin was really good. Qcoin was the best for me personally. And then they stopped serving, and you know, money's definitely at risk. Money is definitely at risk. Yeah, they'll have Binance.us now. Yeah, .us is the big thing. That was their magical workaround. Yo, we're just gonna do a .us site. Did I have money? I did not have anything at FTX. No. I'll be honest with you. I could be a crypto fucking multi-millionaire at this point. And I just kind of messed up. I didn't mess up. I used crypto money to buy a building at one point. But obviously, if I kept it in crypto, I would have made more money. Can't believe I started long in this. I don't think there's going to be any real bounce today. Hero FX? I've never heard of that. Is that like Guitar Hero? Yo, what up, Discipline? Yo, yeah, I don't know anything about Hero FX. Yo, take that money. That's like finding money. Dude, at one point, I had so much crypto. It was crazy. I wish I held it. I wish I held it. Ah, that's an expensive PC, Scotsman. I've never done binary. I've done leverage where it's like 50x. 50x is probably the most I've ever done. 50. I've done 20 or 25 a couple times. I usually keep my leverage at like 10 or 8. That's usually where I cap out now. Whoa, I didn't know that, McLean. Coinbase Pro does 3x leverage. I didn't know that. I'll look at that. I would buy, like, honestly, like this is not investment advice, but I would buy Bitcoin at like 3x leverage because the only way you get liquidated, Bitcoin would have to go down to like, what is that, 45, 48? I'm just trying to do the math in my head. Like Bitcoin would have to go down a third to get liquidated. Well, this might be the bottom. Little double bottom. What up, Prelum? Dude, when my brothers were trading butthole coin, dude, they would constantly be talking about it in the group chat, and it'd be like, "Yo, how many butthole you got?" I'm like, "Bro, like, have you taken a step back and look at what you're putting your money into? You guys are talking about butthole coins. Crazy, crazy, crazy. What are you guys doing?" And then they like laugh at me for buying stocks. I'm like, "Bro, you're buying butthole coin. Like, I don't understand. We're not the same. We are definitely not the same." He's like, "I'm just investing like you do." Bro, we're not. We are definitely not. Is this it? This is the double bottom? Yo, Scotsman, usually 300 an hour. Damn, dude. Yo, fart coin was big. Like, who puts money into this shit? Yo, that's how it goes, Sean. Gooch coin? Yeah. You know what happened is they created that site like Pump Fun or something like that, where you can just anybody can make coins, and dudes just started making a bunch of coins. That's really what happened is dudes just started making coins. Some site made it easy to do it, and that was it. Dude, this looks ugly. This is ugly, ugly. I mean, I am obviously I am. Let's. If I see two scenarios here, this is either the bottom, or are we about to flush for power hour? Probably down another 100 and something points, 200 points for power hour if it doesn't hold here. One of those two scenarios is probably going to happen. Got this little fair value gap. Yo, I'm going to be honest. I'm going to hold it. Let's see if this is the bottom. If this is the bottom, you... Dude, just got to hold it. Two hands, always. You went schlong at 17,700? I'm not touching this. Can't touch it like freaking MC Hammer. I'm here for the big gains. I'm going for the big gains. I should probably fucking take this. Push it up to this next imbalance. Give me another $100. Come on. What up with holding? I don't know. I'm trying to turn over a new leaf. All right, I'm out on that. I'm still in on eval. I'm seeing if I could get to I'm just holding it. That eval is all in. That eval is all in. We hit 65. I have another funded account. But yeah. I'm letting that move around. Like, I'm not even looking at it. It's on like another screen. I don't even care. Dude. Yo, so you guys, for anybody that's on here, yo, they finally put these on sale. So they're giving you 15% off with my coupon code. So starter only. There's no activation fee either. There's obviously consistency rules and there's rules. It's not like Take Profit Trader where there's no rules, but $82, no activation fee. So just letting you know. Maria, I answered you in the Discord, by the way. Where are my funded future accounts? On my funded futures tab. They're right here. Right there. Right there. I got to get to 765. Setting up for a rollover. Your girth up? Yeah. So Maria, check this out, Maria. I can't type. I can't also. So you can do a one-time, Maria. You got to contact support. Dude, I got to make you a video, Maria. You got to contact support. So you got to contact support and say you're going to close the account out and you have money in there. They're going to allow you to go in one time for 72 hours or 48 hours. And then you're going to be able to withdraw it. The big thing that you got to remember, so when you do the BTC thing, don't use the thing that I talked about. Log in with your own account. And then when you're out of there, use the thing that I said in the chat and go get a Mexi account and use an email. I would use an email that's just for that if I were to do it. I would use an email that was just for that. I would do that. And then just remember, whatever websites you log into while that thing is on is going to show you at a different location. So if you logged into like My Funded Futures and they tell you, and then your IP is in like the UK, you might get declined a payout because you're using a VPN. There's all these prop firms have the whole VPN thing in there, and you can get smoked. I just want you to know that. I hope I explained it all. Yeah. Yeah. Use the one that I put in there. Yeah, well, you'll see when you go in there, you click on which one you want to use. I can make a Loom video, which is not on YouTube, and I can show you how I do it. I wish you would have helped that. I can make a video for anybody that wants to see that. I'm not saying to use it. I'm not saying to trade crypto. I'm not saying to trade Mexi. I'm just saying, yo, I started making ugly faces. Bro. Would it be too much if I screenshotted Matt crying when he loses, and every time I lose a trade, I put one of those sticks with his face in front of the camera with like a crying face, and then tell everybody I'm gonna quit the stream if you don't give me 100 likes? Bro, I got some sticks over here to do it with. See me tomorrow. If I can remember it, I'll see you tomorrow. I need a good picture though. Yo, I would rename it Cove Concepts. That's exactly what I would name it. You need a dir soundbite? What is that? Guys, I'm going to start the stream with a dad joke. And if you guys don't laugh, I'm going to rage quit. Yo, you're up today? Nice. Very nice. So you better stop. I mean, stop whenever you, yeah. I mean, if you think you're done for the day. That's up to you. Bro, you know how much money that guy probably makes, to be honest with you? The fact that he doesn't give anything back to you guys is fucking absurd. You would think he would be giving out like fucking 10 accounts a day to people. Like give it back, man. Give it back. Bro, if I had 1,500 people on this stream, you'd see me dumping at least 10 accounts a day to everybody. Out of my own pocket, not prop firms giving me codes, like actually out of my own pocket. I would just, well, that's kind of how this started. I was doing it once a week. And as the channel grew, I just give out more and more accounts. We're at the fact I'm giving out $105 accounts every day now. Yeah, like you can do all that, but you can't hook your fucking viewers up with some accounts. Bro, I would, yeah. Hey man, whoever was around the beginning, this went from 1 account a week to 2 accounts a week to 3 accounts a week. We're like at 5 accounts a week. And as it keeps growing, I'll just keep giving out more accounts. You know, that's the whole goal, is to make a community where I could just, obviously I want you guys to be profitable where you don't need the accounts, but oh baby. Yo, I just edited it. Yeah, Bullnox is 91% off now. I just edited my code. It's 91% off right now, Eminem. Bro, gold is getting stupid. That's the only time it's worth what does 0 say to the 8? Oh man, what is that, Cobra? What's that, Chad? What's Bullnox rules? The biggest problem with Bullnox is the activation fee is 150. So Bullnox is 150 activation fee. And then in order to get a payout, you have to get to $53,600. So you need $1,000 more in Apex to get a payout. But obviously, if you get the payout, you have a bigger buffer, you know. I have all their rules right here. That document has all their rules. Just scroll down and you can see it. The activation fees get really high once you get past 50,000, so don't do that. Yeah, front end, well, yeah, but they have a 40% consistency rule. Yo, what up, Kyle? They have 40% consistency rule. I know they have a rule with copy trading. They don't want you copy trading Bullnox accounts with other accounts. Yeah, do not get an account bigger than 50,000 though. The activation fee on like a 150 is $500. Read the market cove. Where's the bias? If we can get over 781, I would say you have a full trend change to the upside. Until you get over these highs, you're still trending down. You want to see it break over. I haven't used Bullnox Project X yet, to be completely honest. I just haven't. The only Project X I use is this one. It's hard for me to buy the rest of it. Yeah. I have a feeling we're going to go south. Oh. I think this flag is going to break. If we can invalidate this flag and go down, I would say you might go under 700. With Bullnox, is there a monthly PA fee? No, it's one time. One-time fee, Eminem. Yeah, Marco, you got to almost better off trading smaller size and keep the stops bigger. What up, Ace? Ace in the house. We going down, man? I don't know. I'm in short. Yo, is Ace DD the same guy as Angry Ace, or it's two different people? Do we have two aces in here now? I don't know. This might stop out. This might stop me out here. Just keeping it reals. Two aces? Yeah, I just got stopped out. Yo, I think Funded Next has a rule that, like, if you get stopped out going short, you can't go long for 2 minutes. You got to sit there and wait. You need two more for a full deck. What's the top line? Oh, that's a 200 moving average. Oh, no. Oh, I didn't know that. My problem with Volumetrica is I just let the fucking contracts move around. That's my problem with Volumetrica is I just let it move. I feel like I don't care. Not that I don't care. I just let it move a lot. Let's see what happens here. Make back a lot of that money right there. Yo, what up, Hardy? What's my Bullnox code? My code for every account is Cove Trader. All accounts. Every single account. It's just simple. Keep it the same. Just easy that way. Oh, man. Power hour. But yeah, Bullnox 91% off. Actually, I'm trying to think. Bullnox 91% off. My Funded Futures is 15% off starter accounts. Apex is 80% off, but they raised the PA account. Yo, Dell, are you still in from the bottom? Didn't you get in at 700 on the bottom? Yo, CT, did you say you do a 5-point stop and you're going for 20 points on what I think you're talking about in the chat in Discord? You go for 20 points? Yo, what up, Yan? This is when I get to see everyone that's in here. Prophet P's in here, David, Flip, yo, Lenny, Luca, Cash, Pascal, Elvin's in here. Kron's in here. TiVo's in here. What up? Yo, JKWS is in here. Haven't seen him around a little bit. Waldo. This is the only way I get to see who's in here. The Lord's in here. Amir. Uncle Joe's in here. Your favorite uncle. Do we keep up? I don't know. Maybe I would think so. Possibly. It looks good, but it could easily dump. Oh, look at that. We hit right into that fair value gap. Look at that. I need to have this on my other monitor. Anyone shorting this from the top? I'm thinking about taking it short. What do you have? 862, Chad? I liked it right here. I just fucking didn't see it. Not only that, oh, the pivot point's right there too. Dude, I kind of like this to the upside. Kind of liking it. I don't know. I'm conflicted. I'm conflicted, people. We might get a dump here, but oh, I got a taste of being up too. They gave me a taste of what it was like to be up. What's up, Enchanted? Jaden's up in here. Yo. Yo, I don't have my alarm on for that, by the way. I need my alarm, people. Dude, right off that. Yo, what up, Fred? Dude, right off that volume and balance and the 34. Oh. I'm thinking if I could pass this fucking account. I might be the only person that likes this long. Are you going to push it? Let's see what happens. Are we pushing or are they dumping it? I'm just waiting. I'm in a third of a size right now, so I have like a feeler position in there. If I get stopped, it's only a third of a size. Bro, how is that fucking pop? Push. Push. I'm almost. Bro, that was a good long. I just passed another account. That was my last account I passed. Passed. Don't get these accounts, by the way. Passed. So actually, I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 5 in these accounts. I just passed 5 fucking accounts that you need $1,000 more per fucking account to pass. Yo, honestly, some of this damage was done during Asia. Like, yo, you're holding your breath. Yo, I think it can go. I think they can really let it rip. Dude, I just need a quick water real fast. Let me just get a water. I'll be right back. I got no water. I'm thirsty. Oh, I'm back. Need to get some water. What up, Milton? Poker tonight? I do not know because I got to take my kid to push it. I got to take my kid to. I got to go coach baseball tonight. I don't know what Mrs. Cove wants to do tonight. I got to see what my wife wants to do. Yeah, so let me see what my wife wants to do. I don't know. I mean, we just had Easter yesterday. So I know like maybe she just wants to relax. I don't know what's going on. But I know I got to go coach 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. over here. So I got to do that. I was just playing off of a lower high Scotsman. Like something like this was just a lower high. I like to play the pullbacks to the trend. I like to play pullbacks. So I played the pullback, and the more things that are there, the better. So we had this volume imbalance and the 34. So right there was perfect for me to enter. You know, the trend is obviously up at this point. It keeps rejecting those. Seems like it can't get over this fair value gap. Not fair value gap, over the pivot point at 819. I'm going to try one more time. One more time going to the well. I'll add below this candle. I'll add. Yeah, I'm not trying to stay in for. I'm not trying to stay in at all. I'm just trying to get my money and get out. Oh, baby. Time to start setting it up at least. All right, let me see what I got. Let me see what I'm working with right here. Holy shit. Dude, that took off. What up, Mad Moxie? That just ripped. That's a freaking big old candle. All right, I'm not getting in on the way down. I'm going to set up my replicanto right now. Got my NQ up. Six. All right, which one am I going to play with? T-Row 86. Yo, I feel like fucking Thanos every time I'm adding accounts to my replicanto, like I'm dropping fucking stones in there. Oh, man. Come on, baby. Let's see what else we got. We got that. Let me add this one, obviously. And I'm going to add... Oh, geez. Oh, man. Yo, what up, Mac Daddy? We got Mac Daddy. We got B Trading up in here. What up, guys? Yo, Josh is up in here, too. What up, Josh? Setting up all my stuff. Just seeing if there's anything else that I want to do. I think that's it. I think I'm all set up here. Get my NQ action up. All right. I'm locked and loaded. How do you get over the TPT buffer in one day? Hold on. At 12:35 in the eval and plus 530 in my Tradeify account. Hold on. How do I get over the TPT buffer in one day? What account are you talking about? You can't. You can't. Well, if it's a pro account, you can, Paul. If I have a pro account, I can get over the buffer in one day. Oh, you're at 1235 in the eval. Yeah, so you can only get up to 1,500 per day in Take Profit Trader, and Traderfy, I think you could pass in one day. What up, Jack? Oh, Sean. Bodine in the house. What's going on? Full port it? The pro, how do I do it in my pro account? You just trade. There's no rules in the pro account. That's what makes Take Profit Trader the best. Yeah, you either take big size or a lot of trades, or you let the trade move around. Yo, knob. Would you keep going short? Man, it's wicked up here so many times. Do not follow this. I'm very lenient with my funded accounts at my funded futures. I let them move around. Don't follow this at all. Oh, yeah, except 3 news events. No trade. Yo, we have earnings this week, boys. You're definitely going to want to be around after hours for earnings. Yo, what up, poker? Yeah, but we got earnings coming out this week. You got Tesla, you got Google. I think tomorrow is Tesla, right? Tesla's Tuesday and Google's Thursday, maybe. Either way, you can definitely pass or make money on those earnings. Tesla's Tuesday. I think Google is Thursday. Dude, Josh is all in. What up, Rosales? Yo, Tesla, baby. You'll see me playing that tomorrow. I'm not Max Cons anything. I am most definitely not Max Cons. I'm 3 Cons. They call me 3 Con Cove. 3 Cons. We hitting it, quitting it. This will determine if I get a daily payout. Eiffel Tower, baby. It's called the Eiffel Tower strategy. Code. Yo. Yo, Pip and Ron? What's going on, Pip and Ron? How many points you usually look for? 25 ticks. I'm going 25 ticks today. Yo, you're going to full send on Bullknox? 350 pump or dump? I have no idea. If I were to guess, it's going to pump. Feels pumpy. They're going to have to make a phone call. Feels pumpy. US 30 just love me. I don't know what that means, Pip and Ron. but it's all good. You're thinking dump? Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. What is that? Knees are weak, palms are sweaty. I just, that's how I feel about it. If I had to guess, if I was a betting man, yo, you definitely called it. I don't understand how you hold through like this shit though. Like, how do you hold a 50-point downswing? Like one mini would be $1,000 that you'd be down, and you're just cool with that. Like, that shocks me. You don't. Oh, you're in micros. Okay, well, that's different. That's like my biggest thing is like, holding for these massive swing ups. Like, I would be out of this. It's one thing like if you got in here for the up because you never have any drawdown. Yo, you're not tired of winning yet, poker? I don't have to tell you what that is. I don't have to tell you boys what that is. Okay. Yo, you're just you're just tired? Okay, boys, here we go. Minis, 6, 6, minis. I should be locked and loaded. All right. I just kind of feel like this is going to fucking dump. Feels so dumpy. Like we're just going to get exhausted right up here. I'm definitely shorting up here, by the way. We hit the bottom orb. I am full blown shorting that.
Order rejected.
Yo, I fucked it up. I fucked it up. No. Did it double wick? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's what happened. I didn't fuck up. I got filled. Yeah. Hey, that's the L. Yep. Is that fucking VWAP? Did we come all the way up to VWAP? Oh, no. VWAP's even higher. Yeah, it wicked. It double wicked. Dude. What the fuck just happened? I think my computer just fucking froze. Dude. Yeah. Listen, that's the risk. I took a hit here and I took a hit on some evals and shit. I definitely took a hit. What the fuck is that? No. Yo, sim orders got smashed. They knew. People. Hey man, that's the first time that happened all month. That's the first time this month that happened. I can live with that and say, hey, see what happens right here. See if they make it all the way back up. If I had more drawdown, I would get I would add here. And I would definitely fucking add up here. See what happens. Hey, Cove, do you trade the orb by trading the retest, or do you wait for the... Right now, I'm going to play the rejection. Just because of how far we've traveled, I think it's going to reject it. I could be completely wrong. You got to remember, we're in the last little bit of the market, so you're going to get a lot of algo candles. So the market does shit just like that. That's why I don't like trading the last 10 minutes of the market. You can easily get fucking wrecked because of... So that was a 355 algo candle. Watch, it's going to sell completely back off. I'll take this on a punch through the other way. we sell back out of this, I'm definitely in. Yeah, that's a nice move, Chad. That's a seriously nice move. Well, I mean, the problem is the market's done in 4 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Like in 4 minutes, we're done. So it's kind of like I'd love to just see it sell through and sell out, but 710 all the way down here. Dude, it's going to touch VWAP. Look at that. The VWAP. I want to see it get out of under this blue line. The biggest problem is the market's done in 3 minutes. Well, Jim Blab, as long as that works for you. I mean, this is way past where I thought we would go. 938 is the VWAP. No, this thing's just fucking going for it. Was there like news or something? We're up 250 points in the last hour. That's crazy. I know. It's wild. I'm just saying, like, I wonder if they just dumped this thing after hours. Like just an after hour fucking flush out. Okay. That was a pretty good fucking short. that was pretty good. I made 660 in there. I made some of my losses back in the pro account. All right. I got some room. Market's closed. I got some room for tomorrow still. Massive dump. Not massive, but it was pretty nice. Dude, I'm glad some of you guys made back all your losses. What up, Jesse? Yeah, I think it's definitely more short covering than people looking to buy. I feel like buyers are on the sideline right now, just watching. I'm not like, oh, I need to buy. If like I look at this. Oh, actually, dude, I'm actually gonna. I have my alert set. I have my alert set right here. I want to see us trade back into this fair value gap, and then we're going to spill over. I don't know if we're going to get that. I think we're just I think this was the bounce. I mean, this is the daily. If you saw this on a 1 minute or 5 minute chart, what would you do? You'd probably say I'm selling this retest and we're going to go down and probably in here, right? That's where I think we're going. Oh, I was wondering what the fuck was going on with my numbers. That's what that seems like. It seems like we're going to reject and come down. I just bought some QQQ puts for a week out. I was literally waiting for this, and we got it. Smoked. Yo, you're one tweet. You're always one tweet away right now. Remember that. Man, today was a rough morning. This morning was rough. I traded pre-market. I broke my rules. That was rough. I ain't trading any pre-market today or tomorrow, I should say. I'm not trading Asia. Going back to being strict. Oh, man. Yo, good night, Maria. Hey, keep me a few bucks is better than losing a few bucks. And I see you got your money out. So that's the main thing. I'm done trading overnight. I'm my win-loss percent, my win rate is low trading overnight. I'm done with that. I am I don't know. I'm just gonna go back to doing, my normal shit. I was trying to get cute with a couple things. Wasn't really working. That's really what happened. I was getting cute. Shit really wasn't working. I felt cute. Posted for funsies. Might delete later. Yeah. I'm just going to be honest with you. I wanted to get into holding positions longer and copy trading more accounts with less size. That's really what I was looking to do. And it just didn't work out. Yeah, the 3-bar reversals has been money. It actually happened right here at the bottom, and then we came back. Yeah, the 3-bar reversal happened right up here early on, and you could have just took that to the house. I have an account tomorrow that I'll have a funded account tomorrow. I'm only going to play 3 bars with it, and I'm looking to play for bigger gains, like something like this. I'm looking to get like 40 points. Probably play 3 bars with it and see how that goes. What sucks is obviously I didn't do great early on, and then the fucking last trade of the day hurt me too, where it hits almost every day, and now all of a sudden it doesn't hit. Yeah, it's definitely tough. Definitely tough. Just got to bounce back. I just got to bounce back and, just keep doing what I was doing. Yo, caveman. What time frame? 5 minutes. 5-minute time frame. Always, I play the 5-minute on I play the 3-bar on the 5 all the time. All the time. Nah, I'm done, Josh. I'm not doing anything right now. I do wish that the last trade of the day hit, because that would have been nice for a daily payout. But that's also why I didn't use both my pro accounts, because I'll do it tomorrow in the other one. I'll do it tomorrow in the other one, and if it hits, I'll be at a payout. Tomorrow I'm on Top Step TV. I'm going to stream a little bit early tomorrow. I'll probably stream at like 10 a.m. tomorrow. And then I'm going to go on Top Step at 11. So I'll stream for a little bit, and then I'll go on Top Step. My alerts for those didn't work today. I have to look at. I can't get the alerts for the 3-bar. I got to leave it up on a screen. I'm down I'm on day 3, down $19. I just keep jumping in too late, only doing one contract, but not working out. I was up 125. Now I'm down a bit. Really would like to pass this account.
The market is closed.
I would focus on your strategy. I would definitely focus on your strategy and see what the deal is and why you're losing. Dude. Yeah, probably not, caveman. Probably just let him go. Yeah, Scotsman. I'm gonna start. I'm gonna do a couple things. Yeah, Pete, the market's closed. We were just talking about some other stuff. Tomorrow, Tesla's going to move the market. Yeah, I'm more worried about my drawdown, Chad, than anything. Like, I can't be down. I hate losing $1,200 in one trade, and now my drawdown's in half. You know, it's just too much for me to go. The money's moved out of my account within like a day, and then they pay you, which takes 3 to 5 business days, I guess. Yeah, it takes a little bit of time. It's not like it's instant. The fastest one is like my funded futures. That's because they use Rise, and they literally pay you. And I requested a payout last month with them, and it was like instantly. Oh, talking to the $18 guy? Yeah. Even Streamlabs is kicking you in the dick. It's that type of day, Sean. Sometimes it's just that type of day. Sometimes you're the dog, sometimes you're the hydrant. Oh, overnight, BK. Like, you'll have the pro account tomorrow. I thought you were getting a payout. No, to an XFA. Yeah, overnight. Today was a weird day for me. Trades weren't working early on. The last trade of the day didn't work, but then I went 5 for 5 passing accounts in Quant Tower, which is weird. I passed the take profit trader account, which is great, but then, fucked up the end of the day. Like, I don't know. Today there was a lot of ups and downs. What's their cost? It's $150. Yo, later, Hardy. Yeah, XFA. You'll get it overnight. You'll get an email after the close today, and then you'll just you'll pay for it and you'll go. Yo, we're running ducks in 7 minutes, so enter the duck race. The problem with Quant Tower is it's like another piece of software to run on my computer. Like, I'm running a lot of stuff on my computer. I don't really need to run that also. I locked in a max payout with Tradeify also. I just need to pass my I think 2 more days, but I locked in a max payout. Wayne, I'm streaming here like 5 days, 5 hours a day. I mean, that's pretty much full time. Tay Squeeze. What's up, Tay Squeeze and Vince Dunn? What up? What up? Dude, I'm living in this full time. Not only that, I'm in Discord helping everybody out too. If anybody needs questions. Like, by the way, here's the Discord link. Anybody that wants to join, it's a lot of us hang out, play some poker at night sometimes. You can ask questions. It's free. It doesn't cost anything. But that's where a lot of us are in this chat right now after hours or during the day. You can catch a bunch of us in there. I'm good at replying to the chat. I try my best to reply to everybody, Wayne. Don't you want to be in a spot where the person you're watching is replying to you? You know what I'm saying? Like wouldn't you want the person to reply? So I try to reply to everybody. But yeah, join the Discord, man. Everyone's in there. And it's funny, guys joking around, hanging out, talking shit. I will never rug pull your money. I'll never rug pull you. It depends. Some people aren't so nice with their responses. Yeah, no, I try to respond to everybody. I actually tell people, if you ever put a question in the chat and I don't answer it, put it in again and at me and be like, yo, Cove, like, you didn't answer this. Like, you're not being mean. I want to answer all the questions every single day. I got wicked when it went up and then it went down, Kevin. That's what happened. No, Ace, you don't have to recover $19 to keep you consistency. It's just on to the next day. The Gordon Ramsay of trading. I just start yelling at people. We're going to run this thing in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Tasty Cakes. I miss you, bro. Who's Tasty Cakes? The duck race, I give away a free account. I give away free accounts. But you got to be in the chat longer than 10 minutes to enter. Streamlabs sets the rules. Streamlabs is like, no, not today. Yeah, $20 won't matter. It's almost like you didn't do anything today. But yeah, I had a feeling today it wasn't going to work, only because it's worked so much. It had that feel to me. Things were just not going great all day. I just assumed that we were going to have a shit end to it. Where is Ray at? Yeah, hey, whatever works for you is the way you should do it. Yo, is Ray alive? I think today was a tough day. Yeah, I could see that. I could definitely see that. He's methed out right now. He's drinking that Japan juice. Raising the shadow realm right now. Let me set up this duck race. The morning stream will play the afternoon stream. All right, scrolling down. By the way, if you're new here, Be sure to subscribe and hit the little bell button. Otherwise, you will not get notified if I go live. I go live every day, 10:30 to noon, and again 2 p.m. to 4:30. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER. It works at any prop firm. Also, Bullnox is back to 91% off. Apex is 80 still. And Take Profit Trader is 30, no activation fee. And My Funded Futures is running a deal. It's 15% off starter accounts, which is actually really good. Those are the accounts that I use. Other than that, let's run it. Yo, the big screen. Quack, quack, baby. Quack. Quack. Who do we got? Who do we got? Dude, I want to look at what today even looked like. I feel like today should have been an easy day of a trend down, and we just didn't get it. You want to be in the back. Caveman's hanging out. Flip. You want to be back there. You definitely don't want to be out front. Hang out in the back. Yo, Scotsman, you ain't kidding. Freaking, there's no rules on it. Even though you misspelt my my thing, but it's all good. It is though. Yo, is Victor here? Oh, he's here. Okay, cool. Dude, that was so easy. Dude, just looking at today, like honestly, oh my God, I should have fucking crushed this. I should have fucking crushed that. I can't believe that. That's going to bug me. It's going to bug me. All right. We're going to run the afternoon stream, guys. You guys ready? Dude, Sean, I'd love to review at the end of the day. And like, I'm just reviewing the chart, being like, I don't know what. My biggest problem today was I traded pre-market and was down already. And that like fucked my day going into New York. Otherwise, should have just done it. Damn, caveman. That's solid. That's solid. Who is Victor gonna race? Victor, you are racing. Who's this coming out of behind the screen? Yo, Chad. Chad, are you here? Where's the Tay Squeeze duck? Hey Squeeze, are you brand new on the stream? If you are, you can enter tomorrow. Chad, you got Chad, you're here. Oh yeah, okay. Yo, the Tay Squeeze duck doesn't exist because you got to be on the stream for at least a day. Um, let's see what happens. I'm just setting it up. I'm just getting the names in. Hold on. I'm editing this. Go, Chad. Who's going to win the free account? Yo. I'm going to do something for guys that have a lot of points. Profit P. I'm going to do something like I can make it that you need 1,000 points to enter the duck race, and it'll just be for people who are here a lot. I might do that one day as like a bonus. Did that shit like a champ. Chad, shoot me an email. Honestly, if you only played 3 bars today, you would have got in at the top. You would have got in here, and honestly, you would have taken profit at some point because you would have been up 60 points. 60 points with one mini is $1,200. So you would have been out already. The only one you would have been stopped out, here, and then you would have got back in down here. And you would have gotten taken out up here anyways. Yo, do exclamation point points. Do this. Yeah. It's basically like 2 greens, and then the next candle basically engulfs the whole thing. It goes below this candle. So it's 2 candles one way, and then the next candle goes past the bottom of here. But you got to look at it on a bigger time frame. It can't be on like the 1. Honestly, I'm just looking at this and being like, this should have been such an easy fucking day. I should have grabbed this, and then we had that head and shoulders pattern. I remember I was literally on the stream going, this is such a head and shoulders pattern. Even though we're not at the top. And sure enough, like I don't know what happened. Like, could have easily gotten points. Could have easily gotten points, and then my buy to the upside was I bought it right here. I just didn't hold it. Oh yeah, right here. 15% off all starter accounts. Yeah. All right, guys. I got to go coach baseball. So I'm jumping off. I'm going to stream around 10 a.m. tomorrow. Maybe the open. We'll see what happens. and then I'm going to be on Top Step tomorrow, and then I'll stream normal time. What Replicanto plan? I don't even think there's one. I didn't know there was more than one, BK. I paid like $200 for mine. Whatever it is, I paid $200 for mine. So I'll stream normal time in the afternoon tomorrow. I'll stream a little early tomorrow. If you guys want to support the stream, use the coupon code CoveTrader. Ton of deals out there now. Sorry my day wasn't better, man. This is one of those days. I haven't had a day like this in a while, and it sucks, man. Even though I did make money in some accounts and whatnot, it sucks having red on there. So I will be better tomorrow for you guys. And that's pretty much it. Should have had a massive day today. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Any questions, comments, go in the Discord and ask. Peace.